Alrighty, first start up with the new tune in the full Akrapovic exhaust system short can. She is cold. Let's see what she does. Oh my god, let's see if she holds. The stock tune is, oh, there she goes. Oh, there we go. Let's see if she stays on. The stock bike is notorious for falling short without the tune. Let's let her get warmed up. Got the other camera angle over here today. Huge shout out to Brentuning. They got me this tune as quick as possible. I was at the dealership, they put the exhaust on. Huge shout out to Motorcycles of Charlotte for all their hard work. I appreciate it. Brentuning, you're the truth. I cannot wait to go fly on this thing today. And if you see me looking thick over there on that camera, I got the Dines jeans on, padded motorcycle jeans. Huge things coming with them. Go like their Instagram page. Like this video if you see a flame. Hashtag Sparky. Comment Sparky down there if you see a flame. Oh my goodness. I hope you saw a flame. I'm not trying to wake up the neighbors. If not, I gotta redo that part. You will see flames. She spits them. She sounds beautiful. She sounds like a bar fight gone wrong. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Everyone was saying I would need earplugs, this, that, the other. We are not rocking no earplugs. This is the sound of our people. You just embrace it, okay? Dream bike, dream exhaust, dream bike build. We're no fancy YouTuber with this YouTube cash. We're just bike people doing bike people things. Yo, what is up YouTube? Killakam, back in the saddle, the Bmw S1000Rr, aka Sparky. She officially shoots flames. Let's go. I'm so excited. This full Akrapovic exhaust with the Shorty can. She spits flames. Grab your marshmallows, grab your campfire songs, whatever you need. Oh my god. Work hard, play harder. Huge shout out to Brentuning again for that amazing performance. They came in so clutch with that tune. Oh my. This is not real life. I'm not convinced. I can listen to this thing all day. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my, dude, this thing is not. This is like fighter jet, German, American bar fight. Holy crap. Ooh. It's like every time I start to learn this bike, we do something to it. And I lose everything. These cops are going to be able to hear me from a mile away. You do not get exhaust like this and go buy earplugs. I repeat, you do not. Oh my god, like this video right now. If you've never seen my videos before, subscribe. This is ridiculous. I do not have words. Do not put in earplugs. Just enjoy the sound of this. If you don't see me talking that much this video, it's because I don't need to. Holy crap. This is only the stage 1 tune. They have the stage 2 where you remove the flappers and it gets even better airflow. Who needs faster than this? Quote me in 2 months saying I got stage 2, but there is no need. You would literally have to be a track star to 180 downshifts had a little bit more bark in them, but that is it. That windup is insane. And that flat spot for that 7,008K RPM flat spot is gone with this tune. That is amazing. You're gonna see a lot of straight line riding for right now, just because I need to get used to this power before anything else. Also, I'm thinking about putting a tow hitch on the Mustang to trailer this thing. How sick would that be? Let me know if that's a bad idea or not. I don't know. I'm pretty convinced I need a motorcycle trailer to go track this thing, take it to the mountains behind a Mustang. Are you joking? That's some Cletus McFarlane idea. Everyone just lets me pass with this exhaust. This thing needs a kill switch for this exhaust. I don't mind the sound, honestly. It really doesn't bother me. I worked at a nightclub. My ears are bad anyway. This bike is trouble. There's no way around it. Oh my god. This thing makes 100 look like the speed limit. I dig these gloves. Shout out Sedici for reasonably priced gloves. 80 bucks. $80 scoop. Got the carbon. I dig them. Yo, come on. What? And then you got people like that, dude. And they say motorcycles are dangerous. It's not the motorcycle. It's people like that. Pay attention. That's just simple. Moments like that bring you back to reality when you're on cloud 9 on your dream bike. Oh my god. That is insane. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, all that fun jazz. Killakam on Facebook, Killakam R6 on Instagram. Comment down trailer if you want to see me track this bike next season. Y'all take it easy. Killakam out.